In this question, we're asked to figure out the value of 5 raised to the power of 3, or you can also say 5 cubed. Now, what a power is, the 3 that's in the sort of raised position there, the superscript position, that 3 just means how many times you're going to multiply the number that comes before it by itself. So 5 is being multiplied 3 times here. 5 times 5 times 5. And so this is pretty simple. It's just 5 times 5. That is 25. And then if I multiply 25 times 5, that's going to give me 125. So that's all that you have to do with this. Now, obviously, this is going to become a lot more challenging if you have larger numbers, like let's say 5 to the power of 8. You're not really going to want to have to work out 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 and so on. You're going to want to put this into your calculator, but it is important to know how to do it by hand if you need to, and also you can sort of take comfort in the fact that in your course you're never actually going to get into powers that are this high. In fact, other than questions that are checking to see if you understand how exponents work, you're not even going to see anything raised to the power of 3. Throughout this introductory statistics course, you're pretty much only going to see things that are raised to the power of 2. And so that's pretty easy to do. That's just something like 5 times 5. So not much work to do there if you're doing it by hand. Okay, so the answer here is D, 125.